What's going on? Welcome to Airguns, Texas. I am Mitchell Priest, and we will be shooting the Benjamin Marauder 22 caliber, 1,000 feet per second with an 8-shot magazine. Today's target is going to be steel plates and cans. So, hope you enjoy the shooting. Now, y'all might be wondering what optics I'm using. I'm using it's a Bushnell Banner 3x9x50. It's a cheap scope, about $100, but that's all you really need for the Marauder. It's capable of reaching out there and making the shots happen when they want. Alright, I got 3 shots left. Let's take some cans. Let me adjust the gun here just a minute. Now for the last shot, I'm going to give you something special. We got us a rigged up pop target down there. Let's see what I can do. Well guys, again, this is shooting the Benjamin Marauder 22 caliber. Hope you enjoyed the shooting. I'm out. Alright, now you'll get to see downrange exactly what happened. Now, y'all might be wondering. Again, guys, I'd like to thank Texas Youth Shooters for letting us use the range. Like, share, and subscribe the video. And like always, I'm out.